Hello students, in this video we are discussing objective questions from practical number 2. Let us solve this one by one. First objective is the chromatic polynomial of complete graph K3 is. So I am drawing here graph K3 and we will see what is chromatic polynomial for K3. Suppose we have K colors, then I can color the vertex A by K colors. The first color is used for vertex A, so we cannot use that color to vertex B. So we have K minus 1 choices to color vertex B. Now the colors used for vertices A and B cannot use to color vertex C, as C is adjacent to both A and B. So we have two choices for coloring of C. So total choices to color the graph K3 is K into K minus 1 into K minus 2. That is chromatic polynomial of K3 is K into K minus 1, K minus 2, and this option is option second, option B. So what is next MCQ? Next MCQ is the polynomial t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 3t is a chromatic polynomial of graph G, then order of G is. We know the property that the chromatic polynomial of graph G, the chromatic polynomial of graph G on P vertices and Q edges is a monic polynomial of degree P. That means the polynomial has degree number of vertices of graph G, same to number of vertices of graph G. Here we have given t raised to 4 minus 4t cube plus 6t square minus 3t is a chromatic polynomial. So highest power of t, that means degree of t, is nothing but number of vertices in graph G, the polynomial, then order of G. And number of vertices means order. And number of vertices is equal to order of G. So using this property we can say 4 is number of vertices in graph G, that is nothing but order of graph G is 4. So first option is correct option. Third MCQ is what is the chromatic polynomial for complete bipartite graph K15? So I am drawing here K15 and we will check what is chromatic polynomial for K15. So these are 5 vertices. I am joining these all vertices to vertex V. So while coloring we have K color, so I can give color, I have K option to color vertex V. Now we cannot use this color used for coloring of vertex V to this color. Suppose this is V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Then the color used to vertex V cannot be used to color vertices V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. So we have K minus 1 choices to color V1, but we can use color V1, the color used for V1 to V2, V3, V4, V5 as none of V1, V2, V3, V4 and V5 is adjacent. So V2 also has K minus 1 choices, V3 also has K minus 1 choices, similarly V4 and V5 has K minus 1 choices. So if we multiply all this, then chromatic polynomial is K into K minus 1 raised to 5. So option C is correct option. Now let us discuss fourth MCQ. Fourth MCQ is which of the following can be a chromatic polynomial. So we have given 4 polynomials and we want to check which of them is chromatic polynomial of some graph. So first I am writing properties of chromatic polynomial. So properties, first property is the signs are alternate. The signs are alternate. When we talk about chromatic polynomial, the signs are alternate in sign. The signs are alternate. Second is the constant term is 0. Constant term is 0. Third is the polynomial is monic. The polynomial is monic of degree p. P means number of vertices. So now check which conditions are satisfied and which are not satisfying. If we consider option D, then all signs are positive signs. So first condition, that is the signs are alternate, is not satisfied here. So option D will be incorrect option. K cube plus k square plus k cannot be chromatic polynomial of any graph. If you consider option C, then the constant term is 3 and we should have constant term is 0. Second property is the constant term is 0. Here we are not getting constant term 0. So chromatic polynomial given in option, the polynomial given in option C cannot be chromatic polynomial of any graph. Now if you consider option B, then this is not a monic polynomial. Monic polynomial means the coefficient of highest power of k should be 1. Here highest power of k is 3 and coefficient of k cube is not 1. So B cannot be chromatic polynomial of any graph. So the remaining option is A. So option A is correct option. We can have a graph whose chromatic polynomial is k raised to 4 minus 3k cube plus 3k square. Now let us discuss fifth MCQ. Fifth MCQ is, if GPQ is a tree, then the chromatic polynomial is. Already we have discussed the theorem. If G is a tree on n vertices, then chromatic polynomial of G is k into k minus 1 raised to n minus 1. So here we have considered G is a tree on n vertices. They have given G is a tree on p vertices. So if we replace n by p, then we will get chromatic polynomial of tree on p vertices is k into k minus 1 raised to p minus 1. And this is given in option B. So option B is correct option. So we have discussed 5 MCQs of practical number 2. In our next video, we are going to discuss another MCQs. Thank you.